Right then, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, before we continue with any more window cleaning footage, I've got a quick tip for you today in using Squeegee app, and in particular bulk sending email or SMS reminders, appointment reminders for your customers. If you haven't heard of Squeegee app before, it's the all-in-one business tool. So whatever service you provide, Squeegee app has you covered, from scheduling to, like we're doing today, bulk appointment reminders, your accounts, the whole lot. Squeegee app can do it. All the links necessary will be in the description below for you. So let's crack on with today's tip, bulk messaging. So today we're on my Squeegee app profile, not the demo account, because the demo account doesn't actually have any real numbers or emails, so it won't actually give me the option to bulk send those messages. So today we're having to use my actual account, so for obvious reasons some of the information will be blurred out, just so you know. Now this is how you do it. It is very, very simple. We come down here onto the pink button with the 3 white dots. Now at the moment I am on my work planner, which you can see here on the left hand side of the screen. This is what I normally come on to see what I'm going to be doing for this week or this day. So when I'm on the work planner, click on our little pink button down the bottom right hand corner, and that will give us a few different options, from adding a new job to creating a quote. But the two things that we're interested in today is the email reminders and the SMS reminders. Now, if you have got that information from your customer, their email address, or indeed their mobile phone number, then you will get the option to then send these reminders via that option. Okay, so at the moment, we're going to click on email reminders. So I'll click on that, and you'll see it brings up a list of customers for that day. Then it'll allow you to send those notifications via email in just one simple click. You can see here up in the top right hand side of our screen in the white box, you have the option send. Now we have a list of our customers for the day, and you can deselect which customer maybe you don't want to send an appointment reminder to. So say for instance there was only 1 or 2 people you wanted to send, you could just tick the ones that you wanted to send that notification to, that you were coming, and then hit the send button. And it's all done in one nice easy step. So you click the pink button, select the customers that you want to send to, and if you want to send to them all, then tick them all, hit send, and they all get an appointment reminder there and then. So you do not have to manually send an email or text to each individual client for the next day, or if it's next week, whatever it is. Nice, easy bulk messaging and text messaging service for you using Squeegee app. So hopefully that's been helpful for you today. Let's crack on with the window cleaning footage.